another Epicflows Production.
Yeah! Oh, Lisa, it's something for call her now. I saw she that one. Lisa! Oh, God, my friend. But wait, I look so vexed. I can't tell you this time.
So I just got home, having experienced perhaps the worst customer service I've ever had in my own country.
Which restaurant that you go here now?
I got on the toll highway from Miami Bay to Caymanas, something I do almost every other day.
Yeah.
The toll charge for my vehicle from Miami Bay to Caymanas is $2,450.
Yeah. Simple maths that everyday thing. So what good on now?
So just a while ago, I only had $2,000 in my bag.
Well, Lisa, you know should have checked your money if you know say you go on the toll, man. So we said to the toll collector.
So I say to the toll collector, can I just go and pay it by credit card? The sales office is right there. I have my debit card. She says no, they only accept cash.
Lisa, you're a celebrity now. You don't just ask the people if you're blind and then you go through, man. What wrong with you? You tell them say you use the highway every day. If I'm not, you pay them back when you pass again.
So I said, but I use this highway almost every day. I mean, just let me jump out and let the car through. Let me jump out. The sales office is right there. She said they don't accept credit cards or debit cards. I said, but in this day and age, why wouldn't you accept credit cards or debit cards? She says the Chinese only want cash.
Lisa, you don't know Chinese don't work already.
Cash only.
Lisa, now tell me say it's the next L you take from the Chinese them now. Cause you take a L last month with the plastic rice now. Everybody say you can't cook after that, you know. No, alright. After the lady said cash only, what you said to her?
I said, is that a policy? And she said yes, and she can't do it.
Right about now, she better not call me back, you know, cause she knows say she go up on the toll, she fi walk with at least $3,000. Right about now is that this and if nobody knows say me know her.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows Production.
Ready for epic.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah!